Hey, this is Rhonda Draculis and another update. Sorry it's been so long since the last video, but since we got back to Washington, it's been crazy. So this is kind of how my trip went. We flew into Washington. We flew in a day early. I had one of my students that comes to my epoxy classes. They live up there, and him and his wife and his daughter took us sightseeing. We went all through the mountains, and oh my gosh, it was gorgeous.
Hey Ron, what do you think?
Very pretty, very pretty. And then the next day was my first visit to the clinic, and I was super nervous. I don't think I slept a wink the night before. I kept telling myself I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but I kind of got my hopes up. It all became very surreal all at once, and all those emotions kind of came up. And I think the lady at the front door, I think she saw that in my face, because they were awesome. Their staff is unbelievable. They understand what you're going through. They understand the doubts. They understand the skepticism. They understand that you're nervous. And they understand that it's a pretty good financial commitment that you're fixing to make. So they understand all that, and they really work with you. So that immediately when I walked in, I felt at ease. They gave us a tour of the place. It is a state-of-the-art facility, very cool. That made me feel good. Then I got to meet the man himself. I got to meet Ryan for the first time, and he was very cool. He's just like the rest of the staff. He knew what I was kind of going through. And so they did a casting of my leg to do a mold, and then I left. So the first visit was short and sweet, which was kind of good, kind of bad, because I had the rest of the day to go, okay, now what? But the second day was a game changer. I went in there and he had my demo brace, and he put it on, and immediately I had no pain. And the minute I stepped up, I had zero pain in my leg, which I have not had zero pain in my leg standing up in 20-something years. And I kept thinking, how is this working? And then I finally just said, it doesn't matter how it works, it's working. So he took me out and we went into the workout room, and he was showing me how to walk. And there was no limping. From the very first step, there was no limping and no pain, zero pain. And then he told me that the demo is only about 30% of what the actual device is going to give me. So that really was exciting. It's like I can walk normal, and it doesn't hurt. As soon as I took it off and I stepped down, I could feel the pain back.
And with that, there's no pain.
I don't know how that works, but it works. We leave Monday to go back to Washington. My appointment is on Tuesday. I'll stay there all week. I'll do physical therapy. They'll teach me how to teach my body to walk with this brace, to run with this brace, to climb with this brace, to do all these things with my new device. So I'm excited. It looks like this may be it. This may be the game changer. So I have a little bit of skepticism there, just a little bit. I just don't want to get so excited that I build it up to something it's not. But so far it's beat every expectation that I've had. It's been above that. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know how it's going. Until next week, see ya.